Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys an African praise reading pattern that I think is going to help you, right? If you can actually practice it using a beat, a metronome, a loop, right? I feel it's actually going to go a long way for you. So I'm using this song, Jehovah, you are the most high, right? You are the most high, right? Jehovah, you are the most high. So that's the song we're using. You are the most high God, right? There's the progression. Jehovah 2. You are the most 4, right? Then 5. You are the then 3. You get it. Side. So let's dive into the groove now. So Jehovah. You see, I'm using it right. Very interesting. So slowly, Jehovah. Jehovah, you are the You get it. So that's just all about the line. So it's just kind of a little bit groovy. It's just groovy and kind of how am I going to put it, pulsy, right? It's just, it has that pulse it gives to the line you give, right? So let's just call out the note now, and yes, you just learn. So what I'm playing, this is my root, which is my do. Right, so Jehovah, right? So re, right? Then la re re re. So re la re re re, right? Re la re re re, and you see, right? That ghost notes you put in between is actually making it sound that rhythmic and pulsy, right? So Jehovah. You see, right? So that's the first line. So after Jehovah, then fa mi re do, then fa, right? You play on fa do fa fa fa, right? So fa do fa fa fa. First one, Jehovah. You see? So let's go. Jehovah. There so. So the next one is your saw now. So just the same pattern. Right? Right? So right, so let's join it all together now. Jehovah. You see? So we're getting there, we're getting closer, right? So yes, then after that, so then you play again. Fa mi re do, then mi, the same shape, right? That's all. So let's join it all together now. Jehovah. Right? Right, so that's, we have to come back to our do, which is Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the Most High. Right? You are the Most High, Jehovah. So that ghost note you put in between is actually making it sound that interesting. It has that rhythm and pulse, right? So that Jehovah, sorry, yeah, my so Jehovah, right? That very important in that line. So Jehovah. So that's like I did. So Jehovah. The ghost note there and that pulse it gives is just it. If you can just actually get it, right, you will enjoy it, right? Jehovah. So this is actually one of my lines. It's kind of like my signature line I use a lot, right? So when playing this particular song, so that's why I'm just trying to just teach it out so you can actually learn it, and whenever the song is being raised in church or anywhere, actually you can actually just try it out, right? Very simple. Like I said, the patterns is just that goes no so. Yeah, that I don't joke with it. You know, a lot of you guys know me with ghost note, right? I don't joke with my ghost note. So let's just try it like that and make it sound great, right? So Jehovah, you are the Most High. You are. Yes, so that's just all about the line. Very simple. Like I said, just break it down. Where, fa mi re do, fa. Right then. So, right, which is your re, so, then fa mi re do, then the same shape. Mi, right. So. Yeah, so just try it out. Try it out very slow. To get your desired tempo, try it out very slow, as slow as possible. Use a metronome. Let your note be clean, clear, and it should be precise. Very, very important, right? Yes. So what's next? I think there's nothing. So that's all for today. I'm actually going to see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos, right? And if you are new in this channel, I have a course compiled on Udemy. I'll drop the link in the description box. or in the description, so you can just check it out and buy the course, right? Is a master class and a crash course of everything that you need to know about the bass guitar if you're a total beginner, right? So yes, that's all for now. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.